family, Merry Christmas everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. Today I am decorating my fireplace mantle. I've already put my garland up here, which I've had for years and years and years. And so there's one whole garland on this side, and then there's one, so I have two up here. And I'm letting them hang on the sides here. So I'm just, there's little crystal things and glitter, so that falls out sometimes. So I'm just wiping that up. It's not easy taming these this garland, without any, without taping them down and all that stuff. So I just kind of overlap them in the center, and then I left room where I can put some decor. All right, so let's start with okay, now these candle holders, they're here all the time. So I'm just going to swap out white candles for these red ones. That's cute, just like that. Okay. And then I like these little poinsettias in the galvanized can. I like these Dollar Tree. These are $3 each. So I'm going to put one on this side. These candles came from Dollar Tree as well. Then we're going to add these little deer. Dollar Tree, $6. That's how I'm going to do it. And the little berries in the front, that's going to be like the centerpiece. Okay, so now that's what... Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I'm sorry, I thought the camera shut off. See, you have our deer here and our poinsettia. And the candle with the clear candle holder. We have our berries as our center. And we repeated everything identical on the other side. I think it's very cute. Let me just try to get my head out the way. You see how quick that was? And the garland, it just fills it up so nicely, brings a lot of warmth to the entire space, and it warms up the entire room. All right, so next I'm going to do the final touches. Let's go back. Okay, so next we're going to do the final touches on my tablescape. There was things I edited on my last tablescape. pretty much going to be the same, but I had these items. I had like 10 items on the table, so I did some editing, took those items off, put them here, spread it out, and then I have a lot more room on my table to actually entertain. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, fam, I'm going to add some different touches to my tablescape. I just needed to refresh it. So I'm going to put this back, this tartan plaid table runner. We'll put this back in the center. You see my place settings, they're going to stay the same. Let me see if this will work. I'm going to try this before I do if you want to do a Kwanzaa inspired table, let me get this. These are candles from Dollar Tree and this candle holder as well. So this is how you can create some beautiful decor on a budget. You see we have a red here. And I like how I'm using the ribbed and the twist. That's pretty. And Kwanzaa is celebrated December 26th through December 1st, New Year's Day. And this Kwanzaa stands for the harvest. So you could just keep it like that. Now, a normal Kwanzaa table will have fruit because it represents harvest. So you'll have a basket of fruit. You'll have a makeka, which is a mat. We're going to use this, and normally has African fabrics and stuff. But since this is Kwanzaa and we're talking about harvest, you can't have a harvest without trees. I don't think these are necessary. I think just keeping it just like that is beautiful. Okay, so if you don't want to do Kwanzaa, I took away the black candle and I'm going to put back my centerpiece here. Which is very beautiful. The only changes I made were the candles, and I took away those big deer. Let's see where else. Okay. These beautiful candles can stay here. Beautiful. And if you decide you want to do Kwanzaa after Christmas is done, you just throw this black candle there. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish it off like I did before. I add some whimsy to it. We got our little deer. crystal salt and pepper shakers. And there we go. Swapping out those candles and removing, because this is good enough. This poinsettia arrangement here is enough. But I had this, I had a couple of candles, I had a poinsettia, and then I had a deer, that metal deer. So just keeping it clean and classy like this is fine. It's all we need to do. All right. So that's the tablescape for Christmas. Okay, my beautiful queens and kings, this is how I'm going to decorate my house for Christmas this year. I have a beautiful wreath on the door. When you come through, you'll go to my fireplace mantle, and you'll see my fireplace is decorated. The table is decorated. I have a nice kitchen vignette. I got stuff over there. Kitchen vignettes. And that's it. And I can easily scoop these things up at the end of the season, put them away. They don't take up a lot of space, and we're ready for next year. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting Vlogmas with me this year. And stay tuned for my next video, because we're going until Christmas Eve, okay? Bye. Bye, Mom.